Hi everyone, I'm Rachel Akmakjian, jewelry expert here at BriteCo, and today we're talking about something people don't think about enough: how winter weather can affect your jewelry. Cold temperatures, dry air, and winter gear can actually do more damage to your favorite pieces than you might expect. So let's talk about how to protect them. Winter is rough on your skin, your hair, and yes, your jewelry too. From rings slipping off in the cold to prongs getting caught on gloves and sweaters, this season comes with some real risks. The good news is a small few habits can make a big difference. Cold weather causes metal to contract, and that can make settings loosen over time. Add in dry air, sudden temperature changes, and heavy winter clothing, and your jewelry is under more stress than usual. Rings, bracelets, and necklaces are especially vulnerable during winter because they're constantly rubbing against thicker fabrics and outerwear. Understanding these risks is the first step to protecting your pieces. Winter accessories are one of the biggest hidden dangers for jewelry. Prongs can easily snag on knit gloves or scarves, and necklaces can tangle or pull when layered under coats. Rings are also more likely to slip off your finger when your fingers shrink in cold weather, especially when taking gloves off and on. If you're wearing fine jewelry, it's a good idea to put it on last and remove it first when you're heading out of your home or coming home. Dry winter skin leads a lot of people to use heavier hand creams and lotions, which is great for your hands, but not always great for your jewelry. Lotions can build up under the stones and in settings, making the jewelry look dull and increasing the risk of grime getting trapped. Try applying lotion first, letting it absorb, and then putting your rings back on. This small step helps you keep your jewelry cleaner and more secure. Winter often means traveling, holiday parties, and staying overnight in different places, which makes proper storage even more important. Avoid tossing jewelry into coat pockets or bags where it can be scratched or lost. Instead, use a soft, lined travel case or individual pouches to keep pieces separated and protected. When you're at home, storing jewelry in a dry, padded space helps prevent unnecessary wear during colder weather months. Winter is actually a great time to have your jewelry professionally checked. A quick inspection can catch loose prongs or weakened settings before something falls out, especially if your ring already feels a little different in cold weather. Regular maintenance is one of the best ways to protect sentimental and valuable pieces. Winter doesn't mean you have to stop wearing the jewelry you love. It just means being a little more intentional about how you care for it. And because accidents can still happen, protecting your jewelry matters as much as protecting it from the cold. With BriteCo Jewelry Insurance, you can get a quote in about 60 seconds, and you know your pieces are covered year-round. If this was helpful, let me know in the comments what jewelry you wear most during the winter, and don't forget to subscribe for more jewelry care tips.